Desmond, how does Workstream work?
Yeah, so we are this texting-based hiring software that helps you to actually source, screen, and actually onboard hourly workers faster. In the world of this of trying to work with these hourly folks, they are much more on the phone, they are much less tech savvy. So we actually built a software that's really built for them to be able to help them be able to hire, onboard faster.
Talk to me about the kind of circumstances that the workers themselves who you hope to hire through your platform operate in. What kind of workers are these and in which industries?
Yeah. I mean, we all work across a really broad span of the sectors. As of now, we all work with more than 4,000 customers from Burger King, Dairy Queen, Marriott, and more. And I would say that as of now, our main focus has been in these restaurants, but we all have grew very quickly into retail, healthcare, auto, and much more. I would say that there is a very big difference in terms of folks who work in this hourly deskless world and those who work in tech office worker. I would say in this actually hourly world, people are not as tech savvy. There's very high turnover, very high churn. So there is a need to actually tailor software that is really built for them.
I think back to the August jobs data, there's tens of millions of people in this economy who are working part-time, but by choice. And of course, there are many people on the sidelines who are trying to find some part-time work. You must have a very interesting lens into the state of the jobs market. What can you tell me about what your customers and clients are looking for? Are they able to get the workers that they need?
Yeah, I would say that it is still very, very tough to actually find talent and to find people. Staffing is still the top challenge for many of these businesses, from restaurants, retail, hotels, and more. But I think that is the very first trend that we see. Second trend that we see, though, many of these businesses, they are much more open to actually embrace and to try out software and tech. We have seen a very strong growth, almost like a 10x growth in terms of how business owners and really ops leaders are much more open to actually use software. So I think that's been very good. I think the very third trend that we see more is more and more folks are trying to focus on this actually hourly worker. I would say that in the past few years, there just hasn't been much focus on this hourly worker, which really powers the world, right? There's more than 2.7 billion deskless workers in the world. There's more than 80 million hourly workers in the US. It's a very big market, but there hasn't been enough good software and tech built for them. So I would say that there's more and more needs tailored towards them now.
So you've got $60 million in the bank. What do you need to do with that cash to expand your offering? What are you going to do to develop your tech?
Yeah, we are very thankful and very humbled to be able to raise this round. I think this is really, with this funding, it grows our Series B to actually overall $108 million. And we have three main goals for this. First is really want to expand from our main focus of this restaurant into new verticals, into retail, healthcare, warehouse, and more. As of now, beyond some of the brands that I shared, we all work with Marriott, UPS, and many, many more brands. So that's the very first goal, part of this funding. Second goal that we have is really, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I think the goal next we have is really to build new products. Our first product is hiring. Our second product is this onboarding, helping you to actually really help you to smooth this paperwork faster. So I would say the next goal is really to build new products. The final goal is really to lead into our company mission, which is really to serve this deskless hourly worker, to build better software and tech for them.
Give me very quickly, Desmond, we only have about 30 seconds, a sense of how many workers are using your platform.
Yeah, we have now more than 4,000 customers across more than 25,000 stores. We have now actually helped to automate more than 10 million hourly folks who have been through our this software.